Do you know that you can move an object along a path, a line, or in a certain direction, just like a video shown here? Many of you find it difficult to do this trick because you have no idea which software to use. And what's the right effect for this trick is, Alight Motion has the effects and allows you to customize this trick, and it's very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to move an object along a path by using lines and shapes. So if you are ready to learn, let's get started. First of all, use the vector tool to draw this type of line. However, you can also draw any type of line you want. I am just using this one as an example. Next, turn all the points of the line into a curve. Ensuring it is well curved for smooth movement of the objects we are going to use. Now add a smaller circle shape. Move it to the middle of the line and apply the effect called Move Along Path. This will allow the circle shape to move according to the direction of the line. Now getting to the main part of this video, we are going to make the circle shape move according to the line. Go to the effect we added to the circle shape layer and add a progress keyframe at 0 seconds. Then add another keyframe at 8.0 seconds. Set the progress of this circle to 100%. You will see that the circle is at the end of the line, right? That's because we changed the progress of the circle to 100%. However, you can change the progress in any way you want. If we play the video, you can also see that it is moving along the line, but it isn't moving very smoothly. Go to the effect and create this type of graph. Then let's play the video again. You can see that it's moving smoothly, but you can create any type of graph you want if it suits you. So that's all for today. If you are trying to learn a new trick, comment below and I will create a video on that. Make sure you like and share this trick with those who would also like to learn. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to see more of my content. Thanks for watching.